Welcome back to my channel. Mr. Quiz Rush. This video is gonna be very interesting. In this video, you guess the car logo by sound. So let's begin the video. Can you guess this first one? Which car sound is this? Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Mr. Quiz Rush. It's Audi. Can you guess this second number? Do you guess the correct comment of your score? How many you guess is correct?
Volkswagen.
Small challenge for you guys. Find the Lamborghini logo. You have 15 seconds to find it and show your time in comment how fast you find it. Like this video and share this challenge with your friends. Recognize this sound and guess which logo is this. Yes, it's BMW car logo. Recognize this. Try guess this fourth number sound and answer the car brand in comment with. Yes, it's Peugeot car logo sound. Try guess this one. Would you recognize this sound? Nissan car logo sound. Do you know Chang'an is the brand of which country? Pakistan, Hong Kong, or China? China. Hyundai logo sound. Try guess this sixth number. Subscribe to my channel for more quiz videos and challenges. Ford car brand logo sound. Recognize this sound. It's Porsche car logo. Another small challenge for you peoples. Let's find out the MG logo among these. Fiat logo. Comment if you nailed it. A small difficult challenge for you guys, so don't miss the end of this video. Can you guess this sound? The Jaguar car logo sound. Recognize this 9 number. Lamborghini. Can you guess this one?
Opel, wir leben Autos. Opel, wir leben Autos. Opel, wir leben Autos.
Guess this car logo sound.
Skoda, simply clever. Skoda, simply clever.
Do you recognize this sound? Comment your favorite car brand.
Skoda, simply clever.
Would you rather to buy Jaguar Type 00 or MJ Hector Plus? Or comment your favorite car name. Try guess this sound.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors. Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.
Hope you recognized well. It's Mitsubishi Motors.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.
Try guess this 13 number.
Kia. Movement that inspires. Kia. Movement that inspires.
Yes, it's Kia Motors.
Kia. Movement that inspires.
Can you find the odd number 6? You have 15 seconds to pick up, comment if you nailed it first. Keep supporting by sharing and subscribe to my channel, Mr. Quiz Rush. The Dacia motor car brand. Try guess this sound.
The power of dream. The power of dream. The power of dream.
The one and only famous brand, Honda Motors.
Honda. The power of dream.
Try guess this 16 logo. Lexus car logo sound. Guess which car is this? Cybertruck, Land Cruiser, or Land Rover? Tesla is Cybertruck. Guess the second last logo.
MG, get more.
Do you recognize this sound? Yes, it's MG car logo sound.
MG, get more.
Guess the last sound. Volvo. And at the last of this video, this difficult challenge is for all of my supporters. Find the odd 98 number and comment your score of guess the car by its sound. How many you picked correct over all 18 logos? Thanks for watching. Keep supporting by sharing this video.